Hello, today we are going to build spin art drawing machine. Let us see what components we will need. The base cardboard, the motor lifter cardboards, a motor, a 9-volt battery, a battery connector, a switch, some double-sided tape, and a round paper cutout where we will draw. Now to rotate it, we are going to make a machine out of these components. Cut 2 pieces of small double-sided tape and stick both of them on the front and the back of the motor. Now take the motor lifter cardboard and stick on the double-sided tape. Now stick it on the base of the cardboard either with some double-sided tape or some glue. Now take the battery, connect the battery connector, stick a double-sided tape on the back and attach it on the cardboard. Now connect the positive wire to the positive wire of the motor. Now take the switch, connect the negative wire of the battery to one end of the switch. Stick some double-sided tape on the back of the switch and place it on the cardboard. Now lastly, connect the other wire of the motor to the other end of the switch to complete the circuit. Now take 2 slim pieces of double-sided tape and stick them on the shaft of the motor. Make sure the upper part of the double-sided tapes are not touching. Now take another similar tiny piece of double-sided tape and stick it on the other double-sided tapes, forming a T. Now remove the liner of the double-sided tape and stick the round cutout paper on it. Now when the switch is pressed, it rotates. Now let's check the output. Turn it on by pressing the switch. Take any color you like. Bring the sketch pen closer to the paper. And as it rotates, we can see the lines are being marked. Thanks for watching.